Ikaw ba ay lubos ng nahihirapan sa iyong buhay pinansyal? Ikaw ba ay nawawala na ng pag-asang munlad? Nais mo ba masigurado ang masaganang kinabukasan at buhay na iyong mga mahal sa buhay? Pwes, may pag-asa kaibigan na makamit ang buhay masagana para sa iyo, para sa kanila, at para sa buong mundo.
Now that you have come to terms with the benefits of gold, let us explore the types of gold available for you to begin your investment. There are two types of gold investment available: physical gold and paper gold. Physical gold are gold investments that let you keep your actual gold, whilst paper gold does not. Physical gold investments are through gold coins and gold bars investment. Let us explore the physical gold investment. Firstly, gold coins. It is one of the most convenient and portable forms of gold available. There are multiple choices of gold coins available for your taking. However, you are recommended to buy only international hallmark coins with 99.99% purity of gold. Hallmark labeled gold coins are instantly recognizable and liquid around the world for their gold content uniformity. Some of the most widely traded hallmark gold coins across the globe are the U.S. Gold Eagle, U.S. American Buffalo, South African Krugerrand, and Canadian Maple Leaf. Colorized gold coins such as the colorized Australian Gold Monkey coin and colorized gold lunar year of the rooster are available as well. The price of an ounce of gold coin is U.S. dollars 1,322.82 as at the time of the period of my research. Each of these coins should contain 1 troy ounce of actual gold content, but since pure gold is slightly soft, some of them weigh just over an ounce. Hence, some of the coins, a small amount of alloy is added to make it sturdier. Where should you look for gold coins? Most gold coins are available at any distinguished jewelry shops near you. Be sure to look them up online if they have their own websites. Next is the bank. Most banks will offer gold coins if certified hallmark stated previously. There's also the gold bullion dealers. These dealers are available online and in the land market. However, it is imperative for you to certify their reliability and reputation beforehand. Moving on to the types of gold investments available. Another physical gold investment is through gold bars. Let us take a closer look at gold bars. It comes in a variety of shapes and sizes. What's more, buying gold bars in bulk saves a lot of money compared to gold coins. It is also available in multiple weight, from 1 ounce to 100 and 400 troy ounces. There are two kinds of gold bars: cast bars and minted bars. Cast bars are basically molded bars. Gold metal is heated until it turns into a liquid. This gold will then be poured into molds of varying size and weights. A cast bar retains its originality because no two molded bars are the same due to the abnormalities it will get once it's liquidated. It is also inexpensive because it requires minimal processing to mold one. However, a cast bar lacks appeal due to its minimalist and rough design. On the other hand, a minted bar is originally a cast bar that has been polished, cleaned, and dried. A minted bar contains intricate details on them, and it is valued amongst investors. Its popularity will secure sellers and ensures profit to your investment. However, minted bars contain premium, thus contributing to its expensive price. Plus, most minted bars are contained in their own package. Opening them may devalue their worth. Regardless of your choice, it is necessary that you buy gold bars from recognized hallmark with 99.99% purity of gold. The recommended gold bars are Australian Perth Mint, Pamp Suisse, Credit Suisse, and Johnson Matthey. Here is the list of prices for cast bar and a mint bar at my period of research. A cast bar costs around $1,274.25 per troy ounce, while a minted bar costs approximately $1,293.20 per troy ounce. Like gold coins, there are multiple certified places you can visit to purchase your very own gold bars: jewelry shops, banks, and gold bullion dealers. In this part, we will be talking about paper gold investment. In this section, we will only be covering one of the most sought-after paper gold investment, the gold ETFs. The main key point of this investment is that you are not required to own the physical gold, only contracts. So what is it? Let us recap for a while. Previously, you've learned how investing in business means that you do not actually own the product or services of the invested business. Thus, one way to redeem the fruits of your investment is through cash, not the product or services of the business. Paper gold investments work in a similar way. Let us take a closer look at gold ETFs. Despite the productive rise of the asset, the goal of ETF is to simply track its rise and never to surpass it. You are buying a form of commodity, a contract that encapsulated around gold. It is an investment designed only to track and reflect the price of gold. So, how is it beneficial? Remember how gold is against inflation? So, if one of your investments is affected by the dollar's downside, purchasing of gold ETF may aid you to hedge that loss. Plus, it is one of the easier ways to make an investment in the gold mining industry if you are interested. The downside of gold ETFs, however, if you seek to own a gold asset, you cannot do so using gold ETFs. You will not receive the gold itself for your funds, only cash. Some of the most popular gold ETFs available is the SPDR Gold Shares and iShares Gold Trust. SPDR Gold Shares has up to 9,800,000 shares with a low expense ratio of 0.040%. iShares Gold Trust has up to 8,900,000 shares with a low expense ratio of 0.25%. However, you are recommended to invest only on the physical gold rather than paper gold. Paper gold investment requires additional understanding in stocks and funds. Although it is part of gold and silver investment, its true nature belongs to the world of the stock market. If you do not have this ability, refrain from investing in paper gold. This is because gold ETFs hold a lot of questionable assumptions over their gains, and this would pose many risks on integrity.
Ikaw ba ay lubos lang nahihirapan sa iyong buhay pinansyal? Ikaw ba ay nawawala na ng pag-asang munlad? Nais mo ba masigurado ang masaganang kinabukasan at buhay na iyong mga mahal sa buhay? Pwes, may pag-asa kaibigan na makamit ang buhay masagana para sa iyo, para sa kanila, at para sa buong mundo.